As you can see in front of me, we have a product called Bondic. Since it's very simple to use, you can just apply it, shine the light on it, and it's done. I really don't know how good this is going to be. I've got an old USB cord here. It's got you can see where it's separated, and a couple of little marks there. Probably got caught in a door. You can see what looks like a door sill mark, almost like it's burned. Anyway, I'm gonna give it a shot and see if it works. I know this isn't particularly a camping product, but I think if this works on this, there may be some things you can use it for, repairing of some of your camp equipment, backpacks, tents, things like that. So let's see. I'm gonna take it out of the package and just give it a shot. See if it's as easy as it says. Here we have the product out of the case, and I can tell you if the product is as strong as the case, it probably should hold. I probably should find a kid somewhere to help me get into the thing. It comes in this nice little storage case. Don't know what you could use this for once the product's done. Looks cool. It does have a little instruction booklet, but according to the information, it's basically just put the sealant on, shine the light, and it seals up tight. It's probably a similar process to when you go to the dentist and get a filling and they put the liquid in your mouth, shine the ultraviolet light on it, it hardens up. There's a lot of phone screen protectors that do the same thing. You put the protective cover on, there's a liquid underneath, and you put the UV light over it and it hardens up and seals the phone. So I think this is going to be on the same process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a shot and see if it can fix this phone cord. And if it does, I may try it again on some of my camping equipment to see if it would hold up under the rigors of camping. And that's what this is all about. Okay, I've got the instrument apart. You'll see there is the blue light, which is the ultraviolet light. Little switch on there. This is what you're going to shine on your product to harden it up. And here's the container that has the liquid in it. If you'll notice the cap, it's a spin on, spin off, but you don't want to do that. It also has a push on cap where you can see the little tiny applicator right here where a little bit of the juice is coming out. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit right there on that crack, and then there's a couple of spots right here and here. I'm going to fill in. I don't want to overuse it because I just don't know what the end result's going to be, but this one kind of goes all the way around, so I'm going to make sure I fill in all the area there. Put a little more there for good measure. If a little bit works, a lot's better, right? No, don't use that philosophy. Okay, put the cap back on. There is a little indentation inside that you press into it. All right, let's go to the light, turn it on. It has a little switch, and we hold it. I'll do that for a few seconds there. A few seconds here. And this is going to be a little more tricky because it goes all the way around. So I'm just going to turn it all the way around. Make sure I get both sides. And see if it hardens up. All right, we're going to see how this works. Maybe this would be a good shot. I don't know how well the camera's picking up the individual spots. All right, we'll turn it off. As you can see, everything's done. It hardened up perfectly. It's not tacky. It's still flexible. I like that. In some locations, you might need to put a little more on there to cover up a spot. You want to do that in layers, not all at one time. You put too much on there, it's not going to harden properly. And it looks pretty good. Later, I'm going to do a strength test and see how it holds up. If you've tried this product before or are going to try it, let me know how it worked for you, if you like it or dislike it. Please say so in the comment section and pass along information to other people. If you'd like to try the product, there will be a product link below. Just click it, try it out for yourself. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe.